Hey, welcome back to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel, the one place where you actually get the best deal on Hostinger hosting, not just a mediocre one. If you are here, you're already smart enough to know you shouldn't be paying full price. But here's something even smarter. While most people online are sharing a basic 10% coupon code, I'm handing you a full 20% discount that kicks in the moment you click my link automatically, no code required. That's right. I've set up a special referral link that works globally, meaning it adapts to your country's currency and local language. All you have to do is use the link in the description and you'll be taken straight to Hostinger's official website with your discount already applied in the background. From there, navigate to products and services in the top navbar and you'll get a full view of everything on offer: web hosting, cloud hosting, the website builder, and Hostinger's business email solution. Now for this demo, I'm walking you through the VPS hosting section because it's one of the most popular choices for growing websites and developers. Hostinger offers 4 solid VPS plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8, giving you plenty of room to scale. I'm choosing the KVM2 plan today. And the moment I hit checkout, that 20% discount is already sitting there, slashing the price without me lifting a finger. It's that seamless. Just one golden tip: make sure you're signing up with an email address that's never been used on Hostinger before, since this offer is best suited for new accounts. If this video helped you snag a better deal, drop a like and hit subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow and keeps these exclusive deals coming your way.